Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be installing some new badges by Envy Custumz. As you guys know, I had these custom made by them originally, which has different of galaxy mixes in the actual background with a gunmetal surrounding with the H on there as well, and that gunmetal kind of galaxy. So today Blue Envy sent me these babies right here, which is a nice blue and purple mix type of background, and on the edges and on the H we have like a galaxy black. So those dots you see there are actually very glittery, as you guys know, more or less. So we're gonna go ahead and change it out to kind of like just revive the badges from a color perspective. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this on the back and then show you up close between the old and the new badge. So here's the old badge up close. Still has the same amount of shine, as you guys can see. Depending where the sun hits it, you get the different color schemes. And the new one, as you guys can see, we just made it a revival color, so it's much brighter and you can appreciate more, you know, the H on my type of theme. So these here are going to be up for grabs. I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and install these guys right here, and then we'll go ahead and do the front as well. Alright guys, there you have it. It's already installed. I'm going to give it a nice close-up. Now we're going to go ahead and install the front one. Alright guys, we went ahead and already removed the front. For the front side, we went with inverted colors for this one that I'm removing. So if you notice, the ones on the back were with the gunmetal for the trim and the H, and then here we inverted it in the front with the blue trim and the H, and the background we went with like a galaxy darker black with different mixes. It's hard to see here if the sun is not hitting it, but this is the old one, and here's the new one, same as the rear. So as you guys can see, it just vitalizes the color, brings it to life due to my new theme, because I went more black. I went on a black vinyl wrap, so we need to bring it out. So to do so, this is the combination we did. Same thing as the rear, which is galaxy black on the trim and on the H, with a nice mix blue galaxy on the background, which has different shades, either purple, blue, and mix with the theme that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Very easy, guys. I didn't show it on the other one, but all you have to do is remove the red ribbon from the rear. You go ahead and you place it, hold it on for like about 30 seconds onto the trim, and it will bond. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Stay tuned for the next, you know, towards the end, I'm gonna be announcing the giveaway details for the previous badges that I just removed, and we'll wrap this video up. Alright guys, make sure the area is clean. I went ahead and I removed the back ribbon. We go ahead and we center this. And then we just push. Again, you press and hold for like about 30 seconds or less. Just make sure that it bonds. And you're pretty much set. After this step here, that's all, and you're good to go. I'm gonna give it a far away shot just so that you guys can see the front on how it looks. Appreciate the whole build, and I'll drop the details on how to enter the giveaway, and we'll go ahead and wrap this video. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the front already installed. It just pops up again with this whole new theme that I went with the vinyl wrap in a darker, you know, black. We needed to revive that color. So this is the perfect combination that we did. And yeah, so I hope you guys like it. So now let's go ahead and go with the details. I'm gonna try to put these badges that I removed out in the sun so you guys can kind of appreciate it a little bit more, and give you some details on how to enter and obviously win these. Alright guys, so to enter the giveaway is pretty simple. Just go ahead and like this video, drop a comment of whatever you want, whether it be questions or feedback, and follow Blue Envy Custumz on Instagram and on Facebook. So I'll put the link in the description, so make sure you check that out. And once again, it's for the front, which is like a blue trim with the H and a galaxy background with different mixes. It's a darker background. And on the rear, it's an inverted color with a gunmetal, also with some mixes in blue and different shades. So as you guys can see up front, it's just such a beauty mix. So this is for the giveaway. Again, this is the front and this is the rear. Follow Blue Envy Custumz on Instagram, Facebook, like and comment on this video, and that is it. I'll go ahead and I'll pick the winner after a few time passes by and I see numerous comments on there, and then I'll go ahead and I'll contact you directly. So thanks for watching guys. Until next time, boost the whips. I'm out. Like, share and subscribe as always, and until next time.